Football View, the beautiful game.
Thank you very much for joining me. I'm going to make this very, very quick. I'm sorry for waking you from your sleep.
Yeah, no problem. You're welcome.
All right. My name is Clinton. I'm a journalist. We know you're a free agent at the moment, and there are a lot of speculations about your next club and about your future and all that. You scored very, very incredible and interesting amount of goals last season, and then everyone has been talking about you and your possible move. So without wasting much time, let's get into it. The first thing I want to ask you is, please, can you introduce yourself to my audience, like where you're from and how you started football?
Good evening. My name is Sampson Eduku. I was born in Zima. I think you know that I'm from Zima. Let me put it that way. I'm from Zima. And then I started my football career from this place, Liberty Academy. Start from Liberty Academy and then moved to Takoradi to play Division 2. And the name is Kataman. Then from there I moved to that's 11 wise, second day 11 wise. Then the team was playing for Division 1, and you tried to qualify the team to Premier.
Wow.
And that's it.
Wow. You've played in lots of clubs. Like, how does it feel that you've played for all these clubs? But this previous season you've played, you scored 14 goals in the Ghana Premier League, and now I know your phone will be ringing. People will be calling your agents. People will be calling you. Please come and sign for a club. How does it feel? Do you feel that all the hard work you've put in is finally working for you?
I feel happy and I give thanks to God because all my might is about God. Only God who can give way, but there is no way. Without God, I'm nothing. So it's God that gave me that goals and everything. So I just give thanks to God and I'm so happy.
Was there any time
very, very happy?
Was there any time you wanted to give up, like stop playing football?
Yeah. I tried when I was playing for 11 Wise. Sometimes I try my best to quit, but I just stay home for some months and I started to play football again because in the 11 Wise, money is not coming well, and you have to do everything, the transportation, every day you have to go to training. The training, when you come back, what are you coming to eat? It's calling you, dad is calling, they know you're playing football, nothing is coming. So it's my best to go and do something.
Wow.
So I went to a restaurant to work a little bit. Later, continue my football. Wow. People came there and see me and say, I stopped playing. You say, no, I'm not. But I stopped playing. I said, no, why? What are you doing here? You're a very good player. Why are you here 7 doing all this? I said, football in Ghana, you need to do something to attach it.
Yes.
So later, people are talking to me, don't stop, continue. And I have to put yourself to the work and come back to the field again, though.
Yeah. All right.
Take it from there.
Can you tell me what inspires you as a footballer? What makes you to continue playing and all that? What inspires you? I just look at how people are gaining a lot of money, they're earning a lot of money as a footballer, even in Ghana. Okay. When you play hard, you get the chance to travel outside, to go earn something. So I said, why? I know how to do it. I know how to play. And I was born with it, so why do I stop? Yes. People did not born with it, but they try their best to learn. Yes.
Can I stop? Continue. Yes. And when you see Ronaldo, people, holding doing this, I have to try my best and get there. When I get there, I think my family will be okay.
Okay. So how was your
my family?
How was your first season in the Ghana Premier League? Was it difficult? How did you feel when you wanted this previous season? Like when you came to Tamale City and you are playing the Ghana Premier League? how did you feel? What were your expectations? Did you feel it was going to be difficult?
No, because I've played some before. I want to, let's say, I forgot this. I want to be team when I was this team, Karela.
Wow, you also played at Beijing.
Yeah, I want to be team to stand for them. I signed everything, and later they told me that they need me back. So the Kerala people came to me and they said they need me back. So I have to come back and help them to qualify the team to the Premier. Yes. And they talked to owner of team, Gama, discuss. Oh, I want you see to assign everything with Mr. Gama. I went to his office. You do everything, contract everything to play. Like try to. And then these people were there. I met Tule, Afakwa, the time that I went there, the play that they were there. But Nago Tete was there too, and a lot of players.
All right.
So they tried to. They said she come and help them to qualify the team to Premier. So came back and later Douglas for the team to Premier.
All right.
And so that is not a big deal. And when you're playing for a Premier is not hard like Division 1. The Division 1 playing is very hard. But whenever you're playing a Premier, it's not hard. When you get a good pitches to play, but not all of them, and the potential is there more than the Division 1.
Okay.
Potential is there. So when you're playing at the high level, let's say the Premier League, it's not that hard.
All right. So, can you tell me the most difficult player you faced in the Ghana Premier League so far? The most difficult player that gave you a lot of trouble?
I've faced a lot of difficult players, especially the defenders. A lot of them are difficult, and if they are not difficult, I'm gonna have scored a lot of goals. That they give me a tough game. So I can't mention.
Is there anyone you can pinpoint? Yeah. This particular match, this person me very, very well.
Yeah, if I want to mention name, it will be a lot of players. I can't choose one player because all of them give a tough time. If you know that, I'm gonna have scored a lot of goals. If they are not good, they are not difficult for me. I'm gonna score more than 30 goals. So the defenders are good.
You are saying it's very difficult to score goals in the Ghana Premier League. That's what you're saying.
Yeah, it's very difficult if you are not smart and you are not working hard. If you are not a hard worker and you are not fast, you can't score goal. If you are fast and you're hard working, that will pay the goals for you.
All right. What is your best game? Is it the Hasselhoff game? Because you must have a Ghana Premier League game that you won't forget in your life. What will you say is your best game so far?
When you're talking about my best game or my best goal.
Game.
Best game. A lot of matches. Can't choose one. A lot of matches.
All right. Tell me about the Hasselhoff game. That's what I want to just tell me about the Hasselhoff game that you scored goals.
Yeah, that game I was promised by some fans that if I score for them, they're gonna give me something. They promised me with bonuses. So if I score, they know that I'm the scorer for this team, Tamale City. So when you're coming to play against first of all, they ask me to score for them.
Okay.
Then they ask as they used to do. Every team, yeah. Just to try to promise a player that if you win this match for me, I'll give you this. I'll get them this. I'll give you guys this. So they promised me that if I score a goal, or if I score has to fall for them, not one. They are not saying not one, not two, or let's say from 2 to 3 going. Any goal have eight amounts.
Okay.
So they asked me that if I score one, this amount. If I score 2, if I score 3, the amount was so huge. So I have to do something about it. So that makes me feel hungry to score.
Okay, makes me feel hungry to score that game.
Yeah.
Okay. So after the game, did they fulfill the promises? Did they give you what they promised you?
Yeah. Some of them but I'll not force them. And I'd not even call them. I know Ghana, some of them will promise and they will not deliver. So I'd not even force myself to go to them. So I was there, they call me. Oh, well done. I'm gonna
Okay.
get you your amount that I promised to take. Then I'd not call, I'd not do anything. I don't play with supporters.
Okay.
As a footballer, I don't need to mingle with supporters.
I
If you
understand
do
what
that, they're not gonna respect you.
I understand what you mean.
You have to respect yourself. Yes, you have to respect yourself so that they respect you. You have
So
to move away from the only. Yep.
so you're now a free agent, right?
Yeah, I'm not a free agent.
So the Tamale City offered to renew your deal.
They told me a lot of clubs have been calling them to finalize a deal, and I told them they should hold on. You two, they call us, so they should hold on. You know what to do.
All right. I just wanted to ask you, are you, because a lot of people, I asked my followers to send me some questions. Most of them want to know if you'll be in the Ghana Premier League next season because there were reports that you are considering offers outside the country and all that. They want to know what is your target for next season? How many goals will you score in the Ghana Premier League? The question is, will you be in the Ghana Premier League next season? That's what I'm asking.
For now, you don't know because you don't know tomorrow.
Oh yeah, you have not made
You don't
any.
know what tomorrow will bring. Yes,
Yeah.
you have made some of the clubs you are on to discuss, but you don't know what tomorrow brings. So you are still on them.
Can
You
you
are
can
still
you give me
discussing.
can you give me insight of clubs that have contacted you so far?
You have Mediama, Hasselfolk, Nation, and even Kotoko, and Dreams FC.
Was it the previous Kotoko management that called you before they left, or
The management that they called me before they left.
oh,
So
okay?
the new one, I don't know, they have not called, but they also that they were there that they called.
Oh, okay. All right. So it's possible that you might be in the Ghana Premier League next season. It's also possible that you might not be in the Ghana Premier League. So nothing has been decided.
Yeah, nothing I decided. So I don't want to promise, and I don't want to say anything now.
I understand.
Yes,
So this proves that
unless everything is done.
this proves that you are also having talks with clubs outside the country.
That's what people are saying that a lot of teams coming from outside the country. So, but you'll be there, and someone will send you a message, agents, I'm from this place. I don't know how they got my number. They will charge me. Oh, I'm agent. Some of them will charge me IG, Twitter, and Facebook. It's okay. They ask for my number, then I'll give it to them because it's only a day that you used to know someone.
Okay.
Get it? So if they ask and you refuse to do that, they will tell you don't respect, you don't do that, you don't do that, you don't.
All right.
You have to give it to the person and listen to what he brings on board. So a lot of them will chat me. They say, hey, I'm agent from this country. I want to get your offer. I say, okay. You are on it talking to them, but you want the rare. So now you don't know what to do now. You don't know whom you are going for, or either Ghana or outside. You are just yet decided.
Well, obviously, because I've interviewed about 5 players so far, and all of them are telling me that they prioritize a move outside the country before considering that those in the Ghana Premier League. That if a club comes for them from outside the country, they will listen to that offer first before the Ghana Premier League. Is that the same with you?
Oh, my own is I just discuss about the offers. I just look at the offers from Ghana. If Ghana is giving me 2,000, outside is giving me 1,005. I don't want to stay in Ghana and play. It's about the offer. A good offer that will help us.
True. That
It's
makes
all about the offer. If you get a good offer and the coach need you, it's about the good offer and the coach. Because if coach did not recommend you, you go there and then you'll be on bench. You'll not get a playing time. But if the offer is good and the coach say, I need this player,
okay.
no matter the situation, you will get a playing time.
All right.
That's what you're looking for.
All right. I was looking at the list yesterday. I heard you've been called to the Black Galaxies screening team, and you'll be going tomorrow, right?
Yeah.
Is that the first time you've had the opportunity to be in the national setup? Will this be the first time?
No, that's my second time. I was part of 2017, the Wafu Team B, those who won the Wafu and in
Under
Cape
20.
Coast. Yeah, no, local blasters.
Okay, local blasters. Yes, local blasters. I remember.
Yeah,
All
I
right.
won in the 2017 at Cape Coast. I was part of it, and then later was dropped. So that one, you understand what
I understand
of
what
course
you
it's about, you know.
mean.
So yeah, even I was part in the later that minute, the last, and I was dropped. So I just take it. That's second time.
All right. I have two more
Cool.
questions, then we are done. When you were growing up as a kid, which club did you support? Which Ghana Premier League club did you support?
I support the team that I said I'll play.
No, you understand.
If I'm playing for
Which team? Which team? No.
yeah, because I'd not.
If you are growing up, for example, if you are growing up, the family will be supporting a particular team and you'll be going to watch their games and all that. You mean you didn't have any club that you go to watch a game when you were a kid?
I don't used to watch matches. I don't used to listen. Even now, I don't listen to radio or TV unless they say Black Star is playing or
okay.
I don't have time for television matches. I don't have time for radio. I just be in my room and after training and rest. So
all right. So my
yeah.
last question is, what would you like to do when you're done with football?
When I'm done with football, for now I've not decided. Because some of them are doing coaching courses. I've not decided either coaching or football agent or whatever. I've not decided yet. No, I've not decided. The focus is about the playing. I want to put my everything on football. Now that I'm playing, I have to put my everything, my focus on it. And later, then I'll know what to do.
All right. Thank you very much for speaking with me. And I know that once you go to the Black Galaxies team, you probably end up in the squad. And when the Ghana Premier League starts, maybe we'll have another chat sometime in the future. Thanks for talking with me.
Thank you so much. You're welcome.
Have a wonderful evening.
Thank you very much. Same to you.